Hi guys, it's me Olivia, and today I'm going to be showing you I've got shorts on, by the way. I'm going to be showing you my homemade slime. I've got some shaving cream in, but it's not mixed yet. And so this works as a shaving cream, but the shaving cream I'm using, it kind of melts it. If you add a lot, and it's already pretty sticky, but I just figured why not add it. It don't completely melt it, but it melts, it makes it. It gives it a super nice texture. Not full on fluffy slime. In the middle of regular slime, regular slime, fluffy slime, and jiggle slime. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, and it makes good bubbles. And the crackles, it crackles like, oh my god. Super duper good slime. It's greyish, bluish. Greyish blue.